even in English, when you want to have unity, it starts with U, the letter U. Of course, unity starts first at home. In Hebrew, we gather together as a community. It's called a tzibur, a congregation. Tzibur, our rabbis tell us, the tzadi stands for tzadikim, the bet stands for benonim, and the resh stands for rishaim. Tzadikim are the righteous, benonim are the average, and rishaim are the wicked. We all gather together as one beautiful community. And we know that en davar shebekedusha pachot me'asara. If a person wants to say something of holiness, such as the repetition of the Amidah, there needs to be 10 people, because holiness is not just about the individual, it's about including others. And therefore our entire prayers, you would have noticed, are all in the plural. We say Rifa'einu, please heal us. Barucheinu, please bless us. And Ten Shalom Beinenu, we should have the peace. So it's a constant prayer for the entire community. We start with the you, but we include everybody when it comes to unity.